Germany just made a massive move in the AI race. Deutsche Telekom and Nvidia are teaming up to build a dedicated AI cloud for European manufacturers, powered by 10,000 Nvidia GPUs. This isn't just about chips, it's about who leads the next wave of industrial innovation. Think about it. While the US and China have been sprinting ahead, Europe has been struggling to keep up in AI. Now, with this partnership, Germany is positioning itself to close that gap and stake a claim in the future of digital sovereignty. Chancellor Friedrich Merz is backing it hard, calling investments like this central to Germany's innovative strength. And here's the bold insight: you can't win the AI game without serious hardware. GPUs are the backbone of every AI breakthrough we've seen so far. Germany's aiming for 100,000 of them, with government subsidies covering about 35%. That means industry has to step up with the rest. This partnership is proof that big tech and governments are finally moving in sync. If you're finding this breakdown valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. This move is also part of a bigger EU effort, with Brussels pledging $20 billion to fund AI data centers. And Nvidia isn't just working with Telecom, they're also building with European AI startup Mistral, running on 18000 of their latest chips. The message is clear. Europe wants to own its AI future instead of renting it from elsewhere. Germany's industry has been accused of lagging behind. This AI cloud could be its shot at reinvention. Will it be enough to compete with the US and China? That's the question worth watching. Check out the related video in the corner to see how other tech giants are reshaping the AI landscape. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep building the future together.